Alright guys, we got a Chevy TRAX 1.4, same thing as Chevy Cruze, Buick Equinox, anything with a 1.4, this is the same video. So we're gonna install this water pump right here, okay? There's nothing wrong with this old one. On this previous video, we had a brand new timing chain gasket because we had to put a brand new exhaust valve in this one. So now we're gonna install this water pump. So on the water pump, there's two different sizes of bolts. I lined it up already. See how this, some is long, some is short. So this is the key right here. If you want to find out which one is the long one that goes in and which one is the shorter one. Okay, I'll bring you guys in here. So that's the timing cover. That's where the water pump goes in. So for the long bolts, you see this hole right here with no threads. No threads. Those are the long bolts. Up here, no threads. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 5 right there. That's where the long bolts goes in. And then the rest with the thread is showing, like this one right here, those are the shorter bolts. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 on the corner right here on the top. So on the water pump side, right there, that's what it looked like. So I believe long bolts 1, 2, and then 3, and then 4, and then 5. Those are the long bolts, and then the rest is just short. So that's how you put those bolts in. That's how they go. Now we're gonna install it on the vehicle with the brand new gasket, and then we're gonna torque it to spec. I believe it's 70 inch-pound. So let's go. All right, so let's put this gasket in just like this. All right, let's go to the vehicle. Alright guys, so make sure to get all the bolts to spin it. Okay, get the thread start, and then we'll use the electric to bottom it out, and then we're gonna torque it to spec. So just make sure hand tight all of them. Get the thread start, okay? Alright guys, we're gonna torque it to spec at 70 inch-pounds on this one. So you just go work in the middle and then work your way out. Top, then bottom. There you go. There's 9 bolts on this water pump. 9 bolts. So go around from the top, go around, and then go in the middle. That's it. Now we're gonna put the water pump pulley. Is next. Alright guys, we're gonna snug it up. This is a E12 socket. Alright guys, next we're gonna put the belt on here, serpentine belt, so that this will hold in place, and then we're gonna torque this to spec after. So make sure all your tensioner is torqued to spec. Crank bolts is on there. Crank pulley is on there. AC and the alternator. Good. Perfect. Good job, man. Yeah. That's it. Double check. Make sure the belt is on the groove on each of those pulleys. Alright guys, so torque this 2 bolts right here on the water pump pulley is 16 foot-pounds. Alright, the socket on this one is E14. Alright, so you can see that it was spinning that pulley. So we're gonna have to come down here, get a pry bar, and go underneath here. Crank pulley will stop spinning. Just like that. Leave it like that, okay? There you go, done. That's it. Just have to jam that pry bar right there so that it won't spin that pulley on you. That's it guys.